Hey guys, it's Crazy Man here, and today I'll have another microwavable tip for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed the last video. Here we go, I'll be back with you in a second. We all know that baked zucchini or squash is extremely tasty, and that sometimes it can take a while to make and you just don't feel like going through all the hassle. So, here's a way to make it in the microwave. Dun dun dun! First of all, you're going to want to cut up the edges like the ends like give me a second. Like so. Maybe this will work. Okay, hopefully this works. Sorry about the bad quality. Give me 1 second. And we're back, guys. Hopefully this will help out a little more, a little stand. And then once you get this, go throw that away. Then I can't find a cooking thing, so you're just gonna, a cutting board, so you're just gonna cut them up. Cut up the zucchini. To relatively even strips. You can also do this exact same thing with squash, so that's why I said both of them. There we go. Lay them out evenly across the plate. Like so. Find your favorite seasoning. I'm just going to use steak and chop seasoning. I thought it was my favorite, and I tried it on here earlier. And it's awesome. Open the lid. See right here. Use any seasoning you want. Gently season it. Flip them around. Flip each one around nicely, and then season the top. Nextly, you will take this, put it in the microwave for approximately 1 minute, 30 seconds. And once it's done, simply take out of the microwave. Nice and steamy. Grab a fork. And enjoy.